What's up, Team Buckhouse? Johnathan Buckhouse here, and in today's video I'm going to give you 4 really awesome stylish carves that are just going to make people think you're awesome on the mountain. So let's do it. Ready to get rowdy, Cody?
Yep.
Carve hard, the last section. Carve hard. All right, guys, so the first carve we're gonna get into, and I don't know what the true name of it is, but I call it the reverse Euro carve. So basically, you're on your toe side edge, and then you swap to your switch toe side edge really quick, making this quick, cool, like lay down backwards Euro carve. It's pretty awesome. I think it's one of the easier of the 4 to do. And I do have a very in-depth video on how to do that carve right here. But the nice thing about it is not only does it help you dump some speed, but you can just be ripping and riding, and then you can see somebody, give them a quick one, spray them, whatever. It's a fun carve. You should try it. All right, guys, carve number 2. This is the indie grab carve on your heel side turn. So basically you're gonna bust out a hard heel side turn and you're gonna grab indie on your board, take your backhand, put it up in the air, and just ride out that heel side carve. It's super fun. It's a little stylish. And if you get really good at it, eventually you can maybe be doing grabs on your toe side turn. But for the tip for this one, the biggest one is don't reach for your grab. You're not going to get it. You need to lower your butt and just kind of put your arm out there, and it's going to be there. Once again, we're not bending at our waist, reaching for that. We're going to get nice and low, lower your butt, and then you should be able to extend your arm and get that grab. All right, heel side, indie grab, carve. Woo! All right, guys, carve number 3. This one's pretty awesome. It's called the knee touch. The cool thing about the knee touch is it helps you get into other cool carves. So it's almost as much as a drill as it is the cool little thing you can do to just show off to your friends that you can touch your knee to the ground. Now, the biggest thing with the knee touch is you're not like reaching with your knee. You're getting nice and low, and almost like in this position right here. And when you're in that carve, it's just gonna kind of open up. You can touch your knee and you can get back up. Now be gentle, you don't want to slam your knee on the ground. Yeah, as you're getting in that toe side carve, get nice and low, knee touch, and you back up. Carve, knee touch, you back up. Super fun, kind of stylish. I like the knee touch. Let's get some knee touches right here. To spice up this video, we're gonna have Cody try and learn knee touches today. Cody's never done a knee touch before. Oh, you're there! Oh, he got it! He did it! Yeah, dude, let's go. So, obviously that's his first one. These are things, everything takes repetition, guys. All these carves, everything we teach you on this channel, repetition. But Cody, you did it, dude. Let's go. Sick. You're not a failure.
We'll keep working.
All right, and the last carve, the 4th carve, that's just cool, stylish. Gonna make you look awesome on the mountain. That is a lay down Euro carve. What up?
Thomas,
So I don't have really great terrain for a lay down Euro carve, so here's a couple examples from other times. So with the lay down Euro carve, once again, we're not gonna just plop into that carve. We're getting nice and low as we're going into the toe side carve. We're gonna put our arm down and then we're gonna extend our body out, and that's how we're gonna get into this carve. It's super fun. The better the terrain, the longer you can hold it. On these early season man-made snow, it's a little icy, it's kind of hard on your arms. You can tear up your jackets doing it too, but you come by somebody and you bust down one of those lay downs, our buddy Ryan, dude. It's the most impressive thing you can do out there. It's definitely a head turner. So get out there, try them. It's one of those things, it's gonna take some practice. It took me a while to figure out the lay down carve, but then once you go from the lay down, you go to like the full body laying on the ground carve. That one's like ultimate lay down carve. Guys, I love carving. I hope you do too. All right, guys, I hope you like those 4 cars. Go out there, try them, do your best. Once again, it's gonna take a couple repetitions before you figure them out. They're super fun. They add a little bit of style on the mountain. I know I didn't go crazy in depth on how to do them, but subscribe to my channel. Maybe I'll make a specific how-to video on that. Also, comment down below just the videos and stuff that you like to see on this channel. If you love what I'm doing and you wanna support the dream, snag Evolution sticker to join Team Buckhouse, let everyone know you're part of the crew. And with that, as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.